Hey and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. So you're thinking about going keto, but your brain is flooded with questions like, will I ever eat bread again? Or, will bacon become my new best friend? Well, my carb-conscious friend, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the 15 most asked questions about the keto diet. So grab a snack, as long as it's not a donut. Let's go. Question 1. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body into ketosis, a state where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. You trick your body into becoming a fat-burning machine. Think of it as upgrading from a gas engine to electric, but for your metabolism. Question 2. How does ketosis work? Ketosis happens when your body doesn't have enough carbs for energy, so it turns to fat instead. Your liver breaks down fat into ketones, which your body uses as fuel. It's like switching from regular fuel to premium, except this premium comes from avocados and bacon. Question 3. How long does it take to get into ketosis? For most people, eating very low carbs takes about 2 to 7 days. The trick is staying consistent. One cheat meal can kick you right out. So, no sneaky pizza bites unless you want to start over. Question 4. Can I eat any carbs on keto? Yes, but only a little. Typically 20 to 50 grams daily. Think of carbs like that one friend who talks too much. A little is fine, but too much ruins everything. Question 5. What can I eat on keto? Think meat, fish, eggs, butter, nuts, low-carb veggies, and cheese. Oh, and lots of avocados. You're good to go if it's low in carbs and high in fat. Question 6. What foods should I avoid? Say goodbye to bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and most fruits. Also, sugar is a big no-no. If it makes you sad, just remember, cheese and bacon exist. Question 7. Will I lose weight on keto? Most people do. Cutting carbs helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Plus, keto reduces hunger, so you're not constantly raiding the fridge. Question 8. What is the keto flu? It's a temporary phase where your body adjusts to burning fat instead of carbs. You might feel tired, dizzy, or grumpy. It's your body throwing a tantrum, but it passes in a few days. Question 9. Can I exercise on keto? Absolutely. Some people even find they have more energy once they're fully adapted. Just be patient. Your workouts might feel harder in the first week or two. Question 10. Can I drink alcohol on keto? Yes, but stick to low-carb options like dry wine or spirits. Beer is liquid bread, so yeah, not the best choice. Question 11. What happens if I eat too many carbs? Your body will stop burning fat and go back to using carbs for energy. Think of it like falling off the keto wagon. It's not the end of the world, but you might have to start over. Question 12. Is keto safe? For most people, yes. But if you have medical conditions like diabetes, check with your doctor first. Always good to get the green light before going full keto warrior. Question 13. Can I eat fruit on keto? Most fruits are too high in sugar, but berries in small amounts are okay. So, strawberries? Yes. Bananas? Not so much. Question 14. Do I have to count calories on keto? Not necessarily. Many people lose weight naturally by cutting carbs. But if you're not seeing results, keeping an eye on calories can help. Question 15. Can I do keto long-term? Many people do. As long as you're getting enough nutrients and feel good, there's no reason to stop. Just listen to your body. It's pretty smart. And there you have it. The top 15 keto questions answered. Want to try out the keto diet? Looking to shed weight and boost your health? The custom keto diet creates a personalized keto meal plan tailored to your body, goals, and food preferences. Enjoy delicious, easy-to-make meals while burning fat efficiently. Start today and transform your body with science-backed keto nutrition. Fast, simple, and effective. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with your fellow keto-curious friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health tips. Now, go enjoy some bacon and avocado. You've earned it.